see I'm going from low to high. Now you haven't got the glass of water, but you'll see the bubbles, and you'll hear the voice at the same time. So you do the voice and the bubbles.
That's what I did as a kid with a milkshake.
Isn't that what your mother goes cooking for?
Yeah.
And you blow into the straw.
So you blow in it and you go, okay.
Oh, okay, right, yeah, okay.
Well, now we can't do that tonight, but I just want to absolutely tell you that one. Go home and do it. So, for example, we don't have the straw, but let's go from low to high, because that opens up and activates the energy in our voice, and it gives you more volume, and it gives you more excitement in the voice. So it doesn't age and it doesn't ruin, right? So we're going to go from the bottom to top like a circle in front of you like this, right? So we're going to go, a second. Okay, now let's just check. Breath down here low. Put your hand, so your belly button, you expand, right? Shoulders don't go up, just belly goes out. Right? If you don't know how to do this, I'm looking and it's okay, so far so good, but you would lie on your back and you put a book on your tummy, on your belly button and lift it. Right? That's just another way. So you're going to take a breath and then we're going to go. Okay, so that's one exercise. The other one is just simply. Who can do that? Let's try. Right, another one with the tongue. Okay, so they are just quick warm-ups to go from low to high and use the breath at the same time. But the straw, I've got to say, heals all sorts of things like coughs or huskiness, fatigue, because it actually pushes the vocal cords back down and the larynx stabilizes the larynx from, instead of lifting it like this all the time, see, when you're reaching. Like, hello everybody, how are we? You know when you've got a hall? You've got this lifting thing going on because your mind's thinking, I've got to reach the back row. So you're like that, and so that causes a lot of problems. The larynx lifting causes a lot of problems, and it's simply because you're standing and you're trying to reach the back room. Or you're just working a little bit harder than you're doing all this. So the larynx is very important that you learn to keep it stable. The straw will fix that. So will a good lip trill and tongue trill, but I literally would have to work with you individually to see how you're doing that properly.